question. Our next caller is Isaac from Danville. Hi, Isaac.
How you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
Yes, I got a house where I got property that I own.
Mm-hmm.
And the property I was adjoining it, the land was foreclosed and house was foreclosed on. And came to discover that half that house sat on the property that I've got, that I own. And the tax office is house at auction, but just the land. They're billing Wells Fargo for the house. And they're billing me for the loan.
Question?
Yes, for the
You're talking
land
taxes?
that I own that was adjoining that property.
Okay, so what's your question, Isaac?
So who's responsible for the taxes on that house?
That's what Joe was saying.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like there's. I mean, it's a little more complicated than I think you can get to just this second. But I mean, it sounds like obviously there's some property that somebody else has built a house on that, and you own the property. It would go back. I mean, a lot about how long that's been the case, and when you purchased the property, and when they built the house. So, I mean, there's a lot of other issues there. But I mean, speaking to a real estate attorney about that, and someone who handles that types of practice would be, I think, in your best interest.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.